Imagine you have 24/7 support following you around all day long while you're executing. I don't think you guys understand what this can do for you and your life. This is forced execution. So over the last 120 to 150 days, I've been using Claude Code to build agents for my marketing agency. And I just recently released it to my inner circle students, and they are all in there now using basically 8 staff members to help them run, whether it be to help them start, run, or scale their marketing agency. Never in a million years did I think that this was possible. And in this video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you exactly what I've been able to build. I'm not going to show it to you full, but I'm going to show off 1 or 2 of these agents. And if I get 200 comments down below, and I never do this, very rarely do I do this. If I get 200 comments down below, I will do a full-blown video, and it's going to be probably 2 to 3 hours on every single step that I took to build these agents. How I did it, how I planned it, how I used Claude Code and Claude together so I didn't get confused, and how by the end of these 2 to 3 hours, if I get at least 200 comments, you will understand how to build agents for yourself, for your business, for your coaching program. Now, I'm actually going to open up offers to coaches out there and charge them anywhere between $10,000 to $50,000 to do this myself. But if you are a coach and you're watching this, by the end of a Claude training that I will do, you'll be able to do it for your own coaching business, because what this does is this changes the game in the coaching industry. You know, there's a saying, I can't remember who said it, basically people are addicted to education and they're allergic or scared of execution. These 8 agents that I built force my students to execute on the things that maybe they make excuses in their mind of why they're not doing it. They're confused. They need to go watch another video. They need to go understand something. These 8 agents leaves nothing, no stone unturned. There's no confusion. There's no who do I contact. There's no what do I say. There's no how do I fulfill. There's no, if I'm going to go to a BNI meeting, what do I say when, if I'm new? Elevator speeches. What do I post on Facebook if I want to try to find warm market leads? What do I say to a friend? Everything these agents do force execution for people who want to start a marketing agency. So if that's you, you're going to enjoy the agents that I'm going to show you today. And then again, I'm really doing this video to see if anybody's interested in learning Claude Code, because I'm going to be honest with you about something. I've watched a lot of Claude Code videos, and I think the persons doing the videos, they're very good. I mean, a lot of these guys have hundreds, if not millions, of views on these videos. But even after I've watched them, I don't know. It's like the way they explain it, maybe, or they're in this weird looking, crazy, mind-boggling looking screens, and I'm like, there's got to be a better way to do this. And I found a much better way to use Claude Code without getting confused, so a 5th grader can do it. Matter of fact, my son is using Claude Code now for things that he's doing in school, because I explain it to him as if, well, he's 8th grade, so as if an 8th grader would understand. If you're interested in that, before I jump into the video and show off a couple of these agents, if you're interested in that, I need 200 comments down below. I need you to like this video. I need you to share this video, because I'm going to tell you right now, I can teach people how to use Claude Code even if a 5th grader is watching. Because honestly, I'm not the sharpest tool in the shed. I don't have the highest IQ. I just learned over the years how to make money and how to find easier way to do things. So without further ado, let me jump on my screen and let me show off, I don't know which one I'm going to do. I could do Sully, Callie, Ava maybe. Whatever, let's jump in and I'll show you some of these agents and how they can maybe help you in your agency, in your marketing agency. And if that is the case, all you gotta do is click the link in the first description or pin first comment. All right, jump on my computer, let's go. All right, so what you see on your screen are my 8 agents. Sully, Callie, trainings that go with Callie, Paul, Mary, Clay, Ava, Bob, and Paula. And you have some tools down here. All I'm gonna show you guys today is Paul, because essentially Paul is your prospector, and this is what nobody wants to do. They make excuses day after day, hour after hour, week, month, years go by. Nobody ever prospects. Again, people are addicted to education and scared to death of execution. But when you're using this dashboard and you're using your agents, you have no choice but to actually execute. I'll show you what I mean. Pull the prospector. So let's find some leads. Okay, I'm going to go into my master list and delete this. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to find leads. Now, if you're internationally, you can click international over here. All right, but I'll do local US. And I'm going to go ahead and choose, I don't know, let's do auto repair shops. All right, and I'm just going to say around the area that I'm in, and I'll choose New Jersey. And I'll hit search. It's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds to find these leads. Now, I am connecting to Google's API, so these are legally pulling from Google. All right, and you can see there's 133 of these auto repair shops within about 25 miles. That's what it's going to do. Now, if you want to pull more, you can save this list, pick a town 10 miles away, and it'll pull the same list, but it won't duplicate the ones that fall within, if you draw two circles and there's an overlap, it won't duplicate any lists. So if I hit save 133 and I call this auto repair shops in Wayne, I save the master list. Okay, now that's going to save under my master list. Okay, it's very easy to understand. I spent a long time flowing this out, making sure that everybody could understand this. So now if I look in my master list, I can now look for everybody who does not have a website. So if I'm looking at has website, no, there's a lot of people, a lot of auto repair shops that do not have. 58 out of the 133 do not have a website. What am I going to do? I'm going to contact them, right? We're going to execute on what we do. Now the question is, well, what do I say? What do I do? Do I email them, cold email them, whatever? Cool. I'm going to show you. So I'm going to select these 58 prospects. Okay. I can push them directly into GoHighLevel. All right. I can click GoHighLevel. All right. Here's the contacts, how they're going to be added. And I can tag it. We'll tag it. Well, I'm not going to push it now, but I can tag it, push it into GoHighLevel, and start marketing to them in there. Cold emails, cold call right out of GoHighLevel. Okay. Again, I want to remind you, this is all available to anybody in a premium level of school. Link is down below. Also in pinned first comment. All right. And if somebody doesn't have GoHighLevel, you should get it and use my link because you get more perks. All right. We can filter it by whether the GPP has photos. We can do a minimum rating, maximum rating, review counts. Again, reputation management. This is more for building them an AI site. And then this is obviously we're going to go after those. So that's 58 prospects. Okay. Now this is a very targeted list of 58 prospects. Okay. You will get results if you cold call and cold email 58 prospects. Maybe you don't make a sale, maybe you do, but you will get responses and you will probably get on calls, especially if you cold call. Now, what should I do? Should I add them to a cold call list? Should I add them to an email list? The double tap method, as a subscriber of mine, you don't know what that is, but I've talked about it many times if you watch my videos. And I can also download it, all right? So if I add this to an email list, okay, it will allow you to also add it to any other cold email list that you built, but I'll create a new one. Okay, auto repair shop, no site. Add it to a list. Now what that does is it puts them into a method list, prospecting method list, okay, over here. So if I come down here, all right, you can see I have two lists now that I'll be working for cold email. If I hit start emailing, I sent pest control 6 emails to these pest control companies who do not have a website, but I got a nice auto repair shop, 58 of them. Now, I can generate cold emails automatically. Don't know what to write, don't know what to say, and I can personalize them with a click of a button. I can personalize it to the point of, do I want to sell them rep management? Do I want to sell them message marketing or database reactivation, lead generation, SEO, AI website, or a full stack of multiple services, which would be considered like digital marketing, okay? I'm going to choose AI site because this is a targeted list. I'm going to generate 58 emails. Now, this is going to take a while, so I'll pause this video for a second, but I'm going to show you the magic behind the madness. Okay, so we are at 53, and then it'll generate. So it generated 58 cold emails in like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let me tell you something. Organization wins all day long. Simplicity wins all day long when it comes to execution. People are all over the place with a lot of things, and nothing gets done. This will make it get done. Now, if I hit done, I can scroll through all of my 58. And let me tell you how personalized these things are, right? Here, look, D&T Automotive, no website is hurting you. Hey, I searched for car repair in Lincoln Park and D&T Automotive doesn't show up, partly because you don't have a website. I build fast, mobile-friendly sites for auto shops that help them get found locally. Worth a chat? Hey, I searched for a car repair in Lincoln Park and AC Delco Center. So it's pulling the city, okay? It's pulling the actual business name, and it knows that it doesn't have a website. Okay, I can go on and, well, actually, if I scroll up here, it's probably more, Riverdale. Riverdale's 10 miles up the road. North Jersey Transmission Center. I searched for transmission repair in Riverdale. North Jersey Transmission Center didn't come up, partly because there's no website. I can regenerate it. I can copy both and go right into GoHighLevel because I already pushed the leads in there. You see where I'm going with this? Or you can go start emailing, and I can do it from here. I can copy the email. And then I can go over to GoHighLevel, paste it, and then I can click send. And it'll keep track of what I've sent, what I didn't send, and what I will roll out in the future is the ability to click send, and it'll send directly from your GoHighLevel. Look, GoHighLevel's MCP allows for a lot of things, and it does allow for sending emails, but that's like a 7 to 10 day build for me, but I will get it done for those, again, who want this beautiful piece of equipment. I guess. Oh, man. Anyway, this guy replied, and it'll keep track of everything. This guy booked, replied. I'm just going fast here. All right. So I wanted to show you that. All right. So that is where your prospecting lists live. Okay. I can go right back to my master list. And then if I want, and it keeps track of how many lists I have in cold email. Again, I go back here, and it'll keep track of everything. 1 book, 2 replied, 4 sent, 6 sent over here. You get the point. All right. If I go back to home, I can generate a lot of things. Here's your arms reach for Facebook. Post on your personal Facebook profile, not a business page. Here's version 1, version 2, regenerate, do it every 2 to 3 weeks. And you will get people that eventually will say, yeah, I know somebody who might be interested in this. That is arms reach, computers reach. I can generate Upwork proposals directly in here. So if I'm bidding on Upwork projects, I literally just copy the scope, paste it in here. I'll show you. Put the job title, paste the description. What service am I offering? Whatever they're asking for. PPC paid ads. Give some experience if you have any. Generate the proposal. Copy paste. Do 5 to 10 a day. You'll land clients on Upwork. This is called execution, guys. But before, most of our students have not most of ours. A lot of our students have landed a lot of clients on Upwork, but it's tiresome. You got to rewrite the same proposals. You got to go in there. This is copy paste, and you have AI behind you to make you sound like a freaking professional. You can see the excitement on my face. Cars Reach. What is Cars Reach? Well, that's BNI, right? You drive in your car, BNI. Generate some 30-second elevator speeches. What about generate some post-meeting follow-ups? How do you transition into an appointment? So on and so forth. Facebook ads. Wait till you see what I'm not going to even show you this. Facebook ads, actually, I got to move this, actually falls under our paid ad specialist. You can create Facebook ads based on our trainings that we've been doing this for so long. And we've spent $9 million on Facebook. We've spent, $4 million, $5 million on pay-per-click ads. It's all built into the brain that is in our agent vault. So, example, let me go back over to Paul and I go to Callie. Callie knows everything. If I'm like, what is a Cars Reach method? Callie's going to know what a Cars Reach method is. Imagine you have 24/7 support following you around all day long while you're executing. I don't think you guys understand what this can do for you and your life. This is forced execution. And you know what sucks about this is that I'm not very good on YouTube. I'm terrible at thumbnails, and I'm horrible at titles. I don't have the time, the energy to figure it out. And you know what? That sucks because I'm going to probably give this a crappy title, this video, and I'm going to give it a crappy thumbnail. not enough are you going to watch it. And that sucks. But for those of you lucky ones who are maybe my loyal subscribers, maybe this is the first time you found me, you're lucky because you should click the link in the description, and you should click the link or click the link down in the pin's first comment, because I'm telling you, there ain't nothing out there like this. And this thing is going to get even better and better and better. And I'm 4, 5, 6 months into this. I know Claude Code like the back of my hand. Give me 200 comments down below, and I'll show you exactly how I built these agents using Claude Code. All right, Cars Reach is basically in-person networking. You show up to so I can't tell you how many times people are like, James, where's the training on prospecting? I mean, do you even really need training? Like, how much training do you need? Oh, but if you do, we have training over here as well, okay? We'll keep you accountable and everything. Click the link down below if you want to change your life. 200 comments gets you a full-blown 2 to 3 hour training on Claude Code and how to use it, even if you're as dumb as me. See you on the next one.